Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's the 13th of December today, and let's have a look at what the weather's doing in Kessingland today. Oh, it's quite nice. It's definitely not cold. I've got a busy day. I've got a donation that's come in that needs to be built. Do you know, I was thinking the other day, I don't think we've ever had such a nice blend of bikes in the shop. Our gent bike selection at the moment is amazing, and I mean amazing. We've got really good mountain bikes. We've got Saracen, we've got a Claude Butler, we've got a Marin, we've got a Ridgeback Hybrid, we've got a vintage bike. In fact, the selection of men's bikes is really good, and ladies' bikes is right up there as well. Right up there as well. Got a couple of BMXs. The blend of bikes in this shop at the moment is really, really good. Really, really good. So, I have got a ton of wheels to go through. We had this little girl's, I think it's an Apollo Charm, come in. Obviously the Force we built yesterday. I need to do some wheels as well, some frames. Believe it or not, in this box there's 10 frames and 5 bicycle wheels in that small space, and that's why we chop them up. And then I need to find somewhere for that to live. But first things first, I need to do the morning social media, which normally takes about sort of 40 minutes. So I'm going to get the kettle on and get on with that. That's my plan. Okay, so I'm going to crack on with the wheels first, I think. Get those done, just go through them, make sure the quality is where I want it, and then I can start finding a place for them to live. Right, I'm going to get into it. Okay, so I've just done the wheels, so I've done my 12 for today, and again 50% of the wheels didn't make it, but we have got some quite nice wheels this time. So I'm going to have a little tidy up, and then I'm going to concentrate on the next part of the day. Okay, so I'm going to try and build this into a usable bike. There's a few bits that got to come off, like those weird light things and the basket. but until I've really investigated it, it's difficult to know. Definitely need some oil. But yeah, this might be one of those bikes that gets someone out of a hole at Christmas. Put it on for a sensible price, and we'll see what we can do. So I just finished this little Apollo charm, and it's just waiting now to be to have a good wash. I need to make sure actually these lights actually work, which is quite impressive. Or they did when I was doing it. So yeah, so 20-inch wheels, full suspension. It's got 6 gears, V brakes. It's not the cleanest of bikes, but somebody will love it. It just might make somebody's Christmas, or a bike for school, or not all kids like looking after their bikes, and parents don't always want to spend a ridiculous amount of money. The gimbal's gone mad, bear with me. Oh, gimbal, what's wrong with you? But yeah, it's a great little bike, a great little step up. If you're like on a 16-inch wheel bike and you don't want to spend a lot of money, perfect. Or you're a grandparent and you don't have your grandchildren around very often, but when they are around, they want something to do. This would be a perfect little bike for that. Right then, so that's that one done. I'm going to have a little tidy up, and then and a cup of coffee, I think. So I've just chopped up 3 frames. I think there was a Falcon, a Carrera, and a no-name one. I've also chopped up some wheels to go in the pile. I'm now going to show you actually. I'll show you really quickly the pile, and I'm trying to keep you on me so that I don't upset my neighbours. So that's the aluminium left to process. This is the processed stuff, and this is the rims that are left to process. So I need to get this lot done as quick as possible over the next couple of days, and then focus on these to get this how I want it. Right, so I'm now going to go for my lunch. I'm going to wash my hands first, but I'm going to go for my lunch, and then I should this afternoon have a quick tidy up, make a ticket for the new bike, and then social media and make a video. That's my plan. Right, I'm going for lunch. See you later, guys. So I'm back from lunch, and I need to do some tidying up at the workshop, and then I've got a bike to list and a video to make. So I'm gonna crack on getting tidied up, and then that's me done for the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you already have. Thank you. If you just watching the video for the first time or watching the channel for the first time, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. You'd be very welcome. And we'll see you bright and fresh tomorrow.